Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivvraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Okay students, and today's topic is multiples. Dear students, please open page number 50. Okay students, now let's start question number 3. In question number 3 here given that write first three common multiples of common multiples of question number is 4 and 6. It means that here we can find that first three common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay, understand? Look at here carefully. How we can find the first common three multiple of 4 and 6? Look at here carefully. This means firstly we have to write all multiples of 4, okay, and multiples of 6. Okay students, then we choose common multiples between the multiples of 4 and 6. Okay, now let's start the solution of question number 3 of A. Look at here carefully. The multiple of 4 is equal to, distance we know that if we have to take the multiplication of 4 by any number, then we get its multiple. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 4 and 1, then we get 4 1 is 4. Again we have to take the multiplication by 2 in 4, then we get 4 2 is 8. Similarly 4 3 is 12 and so on. Therefore the multiple of 4 is equal to 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36 and 4 10 is 40. Okay students, here we can write the multiple of 4, okay, then the multiple of and the multiple of 6 is equal to distance. Similarly if we have to take the multiplication of 6 and any number, then we get its multiple. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 6, therefore we have to take 6 into 1 is equal to 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 into 2 is equal to 6 2 is 12, 6 into 3 is equal to 6 3 is 18. Similarly we can write all numbers. Okay, okay distance, look at here carefully. The multiple of 6 is equal to 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 56, 6 9 is 54 and 6 10 is 6 9 जा 54, 6 10 जा 60. Okay students, 6 1 जा 6. Here we can write 6 to 60. Okay students, it means that here we have to take the multiplication of 6 by 1, 2, 3 and so on, in last by 10, then we get 6 10 ja 60. Okay, then the first three common multiple is equal to common multiple of 4 and 6 are look at here carefully. Here given that 12 and here given that 12. Therefore, here we get 12 is a common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay. Similarly, here we get 24 and here 24. Therefore, we say that 24 is a common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay. Similarly, here we get 36 and here we get 36. Therefore, we can say that 36 is a common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay students, therefore the first common multiple of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36. Okay, okay students, therefore here we can write 12, 24 and 36. Clear? If you have any doubt in question number 3 of A, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now let this understands, please write in your maths fair copy and book both. After completed the given class work and homework, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so now let's start question number 3 of B. Question number 3 of B is write first 3 common multiple of 12 and 15 and 15. Okay, understand? Look at here carefully. In this question, firstly we can write the common multiples of 12. Okay, and the common multiples of 15. Okay students, then we have to choose 3 common multiples of 12 and 15. Okay, now let's start the solution of question number 3b. Look at here carefully. The multiples of the multiples of 12 is equal to, dear students, we know that if we have to take the multiplication of by any other number in given number, okay, then we get its multiple. Understand? Then we get its multiple. Okay, then firstly we have to take the multiplication by 1 in given number, then we get its multiple. It means that 12 1 ja 12 is a multiple of 12, 12 2 ja 24. Okay, similarly 12 3 ja 36. Okay students, similarly we can write all multiples by taking the multiplication by 12 and any other number. Okay, look at here carefully. Then the multiples of 12 are 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 जा 36, 12 4 जा 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, 168, and in last 180. Okay students, it means that the multiples of 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, 168, and in last 180, and so on. Okay, okay students, and the multiples of multiples of 15 is, look at here carefully. That's one we know that if we have to take the multiplication of 15 by any number, then we get its multiple. Okay, if we have to take the multiplication of 15 by any number, it means that by 1, then we get 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 3 ja 45, and 15 4 ja 60. Similarly, we can write all multiples of 15. Okay, understand? So look at here carefully. Here we can write 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, okay, 75, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180. Okay distance, look at here carefully. Then we can choose the common multiples of 12 and 15. Dear students, look at here carefully. Here we get 16, and in here we get 16, then 16 and 16. It means that 16 is a common multiple of 12 and 15. Okay. Similarly, here we get 120, and here we get 120. Then 120 is a common multiple of 12 and 15. Okay, and in last, here we get 180, and here we get 180. Then 180 is a common multiple of 12 and 15. Okay students, therefore then the three common multiple of 12 and 15 are 60, 120, and 180. Okay students, and 180. Clear? Okay, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me. Therefore, here we can write the first three common multiples of 12 and 15 are 60, 120, and 180. Clear? Okay students, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now read this. Okay students, now let's start question number 3 of C. Question number 3 of C is here given that 8 and 16. 8 and 16. Okay students, look at here carefully. Firstly we can write the multiples of 8 and the multiples of 16. Then we have to choose first 3 common multiples of 8 and 16. Okay students, look at here carefully. The multiples of 8 is, listen, we know that if we have to take the multiplication of 8 and any other number, then we get its multiple. Okay, so here we can write 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, and so on. Okay students, here we can write 8 16 24 32 40 48 56 64 72 80 88 96 104 112 120 and so on. Then and the multiples of 16 is, look at it carefully, 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 48, and so on. Okay students, look at here carefully. The multiples of 16 are 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 3 ja 48, 16 4 ja 64, 16 5 ja 80, 16 6 ja 96. Similarly, we can write all multiples, okay, of 16. Then the first 3 common multiple, then the first 3 common multiple of multiples of 8 and 16 are, look at here carefully, here given that 16 and here also given that 16. Therefore 16 and 16, it means that 16 is a common multiple of 8 and 16. Okay students, and here we get 32 and here we get 32, then 32 32 32 32, it means that 32 is a common multiple of 8 and 16. Okay, and in last here we get 48 and here we get 48, then 48 and 48, it means that 48 is a common multiple of 8 and 16. Then here we can write the first 3 common multiples of 8 and 16 are 16, 32 and 48. Okay, distance. Therefore, here we can write first three common multiples of 8 and 16 are 16, 32 and 48. This is the answer of this question. Okay, understand? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now read this. Okay, distance. Question number 3 of D. Write first three common multiples of 15 and 20. Dear students, these questions do it yourself. In maths homework. If any student have doubt in any question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay? Okay, students. Now read this. Now let's start. Question number 4. Write 10 multiples of each number. In question number 4 is, in question number 4, here given that write 10 multiples of each number encircle the common multiples. Encircle the common multiples. Okay, distance. Okay, distance. Okay, distance. Then question number 4 of A is 6 and 8. Question number B is 8 and 12. Okay. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Dear students, firstly we have to write all multiples of 6. Okay, then here we choose the common multiple and encircle the common multiples. Okay, okay, students, look at here carefully. Here we can write 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, yes, 6 4 is 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and in last 60. Okay. Similarly, we can write 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is yes 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40, 48, 56, okay students, and in question number 8 here we can write the multiples of 8, and in this question here we can write the multiple of 12. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we get 6 and here 8. This is not common multiple of 6 and 8. Look at here carefully. Here we get 24 and here we get 24. It means that 24 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. Okay, similarly look 48 and here we get 48. 48 and 48 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. Okay students, similarly we can solve all given questions. Look here given that 8. Look at here carefully. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and in last 80. Okay students, here we can write 10 multiples. Okay, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72, and 8 10 ja 80. Okay, similarly we can write the multiple of 12. Look at here carefully. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, and in last we can write 120. Okay students, look here given that 24 and here given that 24, then here we have to take circle. Then we say that 24 is a yes multiple of 8 and 12. Similarly here we can take 48 and here 48. 48 is a multiple of 8 and 12. Again here given that 72 and here given that 72. It means that 72 is a common multiple of 8 and 12. Okay students, similarly we can solve all questions. If any student have doubt in these questions, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay students, dear students, look at it carefully. Question number 4 of C, 4D and 4E. Do it yourself. Do it yourself in math homework. Okay. If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay students, thank you.